What's up, guys? Bringing you a trade update for Monday. We took tough day today for the market overall, and quite frankly, the tough day in terms of not that trading wise, it was tough. It was more of lack of opportunities in the market. I mean, we didn't go anywhere. If you pull up the market chart, it's just where we started, exactly where we finished. And there's some free generation, and I've always believed in that it is okay to lose money if you don't if you have opportunities and your patterns failed. All good. I'll do this every day and twice on Sundays. But it is not okay to lose money if you don't have opportunities and then you're stepping in to just violate all things that you have built to give yourself opportunity to be successful. So bring you a JBL trade. Took two trades today, one loser. Tesla was a loser. It just didn't get any traction. It did get traction. I moved the stop a little bit closer to break even, but nonetheless it was a loser. And then it's JBL that we hit target in the room. So overall, net plus one. And when you think and here's the gap. And first of all, if you understand how to rate the gaps, then you really understand the entries here. Then we have, there's a tier three gap because it's missing two criteria, two of the five very basic criteria. Shock values, there's no shock value. The stock's already up, and Friday you had a bottoming tail that moved, close to 80% of in the range here, and it looks like it was, it's fine. And then clearing resistance, yes, that. So what happens is this area. So how the stock becomes bullish because there's two ways to resolve. You go up, come back, and then this is what I mean how to resolve. And it's not like how do you resolve this pattern? You can go up here, right here, and make a higher low, and you resolve. That's the one way to resolve this. And the other way that you can resolve is by gapping up, which we did today. The gap up right here. So this is the resistance, and we gap up. The next level of resistance was right here. So these kind of the levels that you are looking to trade within. So that becomes your trading void. Short term, that makes the pattern short term bullish. Long term bullish. Well, look, this is the weekly chart. This is the weekly buy setup that's trading. So yes, long term it will be bullish. We might just stick around here and then have a inside week and only to continue to move higher here on the weekly chart. At least that's what it looks like. But to the pattern and the entry is most likely is going to be it's not most likely most time tier three gaps. I would say 85% of my entries on the tier three gaps are on the 5 minute chart. How do I know it's 85% number? Because I track my trade, and when I run the trade analyzer, it tells me how many tier three gaps, how many tier three gaps I've taken in last month, where those entries were they on 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 85% of the time the entries on a 5 minute chart. So here we go. Well, look at this. This puts the two green bars, and then you have a very controlled pullback here, and it sets up kind of, it's kind of flagging here on the 5 minute chart. And this area becomes kind of, you can say, hey, this could be, we're looking at the opening range break right here at 111. So not this bar. This bar was an entry. This could be an aggressive entry. I don't play that on a tier three gap, so I look for much of a, I want to say confirm, not safer, but more of a confirm entry. 111, put a stop at 110. So right into this area. That will be the stop here at 110, and then right this higher. Nice trend, breaks the trend. You get out, gives you another opportunity later in the day. So that will be a 15-minute chart entry and give you your target. Once the stock pulls back, your target is going to be the high. So that's where that's where you get to JBL. So a couple entries here, but this one that worked for us, so $20 risk, 2 hours, $600 in 30 minutes. You call it a day, go home and live to trade another day with positive P&L for Tuesday. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, give it a like, hit a subscribe, stay focused, stay disciplined, stay with Trading.